Alright, this is your science overview video of the week. We are in the week of April 19th through April 23rd. You can see that we are still working on identifying and describing the basic forms of energy. When we open up Monday's folder on Monday, you're going to watch this short Dr. Bionics video where he will introduce sound and how sound energy is created. Then you are going to print the notebook page. It's right down here. There are actually 2 pages to print. And then you are going to follow along in this teacher video where we learn how scientists describe and identify sound energy. On Tuesday, we are going to print this notebook page right here, Kinds of Energy, and then follow along in this teacher video where we look at 4 different objects, the sun, the microwave, an iPad, and a rocket, and talk about the type of energy that's being used or produced. Now, after that video, you are going to use your notes, and you can use those workbook pages that you read last week, pages 41 and 42, to complete these review multiple choice questions. On Wednesday, you can see the directions look very, very short. You're going to watch a Generation Genius video with Dr. Jeff, and he's going to talk about changes in energy, from when energy changes from one form to another. You're going to click this link right here to open the video. After that, you are going to read 2 pages in your textbook, 334 and 335, and you're going to learn more about energy changing forms. Moving right along, on Thursday, you are going to open up to page 338 and 339. You're going to see this activity, and it's labeled Apply Concepts. You are going to do just those 2 pages. As you are completing those pages, you can use your notes and previously read textbook pages to complete the activity. We are going to spend time Friday morning reviewing this work from these 2 pages. So please, on Friday morning, make sure you bring with you this Apply Concepts activity. And finally, wrapping up our week on Friday, you are going to read workbook pages 45 and 46. Those are going to discuss more about energy and how it changes forms. Again, that's in that smaller pink workbook. You are going to print this notebook page right here on energy changes forms. You can kind of see it in the background here on this video. Then you're going to watch this teacher video and follow along, taking notes on changing forms of energy. Now, just like before, the video moves pretty quickly from one section to the next. So I've included here a picture of these notes that you can refer to once you've watched the video. So if you'd like to watch the video and just kind of watch and learn, then you can go back and you can record those notes on those 4 different sections. That's your week in science, guys. Let me know if you have any questions.